Good morning, YouTube. MoparMayne, man, back with another video today, y'all. And y'all, I'm pretty sure y'all already know what time it is. It is the giveaway video, which I am doing right now. I gotta pick a winner. It's long overdue. I posted that video last Tuesday that I was gonna pick a winner on Wednesday, and it's a week later, almost a week later now. So I actually gave people some more time to subscribe for more people to, or more chances to have more chances to win. But I had a lot of stuff to do during the week. Got busy and didn't really have time to do much videos this week. So, but we're gonna get it out of the way right now. We're gonna pick a winner. Now, the only thing I had problems with, I was searching all over YouTube, man. I could not find anything to use to pick a subscriber for a winner. And you know, they got this thing called a comment picker, but I tried it and it didn't work anymore. The website was like shut down. The only thing I could find was this website called random.org, and what it is you just put how many subscribers you got in there and you hit generate and it picks a number for you. So that's what we're gonna do today. So alright, so here we go, man. Good luck to whoever this lucky winner is, or everybody that's subscribed to my channel, but here we go. So number 3, wow, that's crazy. The 3rd subscriber on my list is the winner. So let's go back to the subscribers. Let's see who that winner is. To channel. Oh, wrong one. I'm supposed to go to Creator Studios. As y'all can see, I'm sitting in my car right now, man. I'm about to head into work. I was 30 minutes early just to get this video done. So let's see, community and subscriber. So the 3rd person on the list, Nicole, you are the winner. I don't know how to pronounce your last name, but you are the 3rd person on the list, and that was literally by random selection. So congratulations to you, Nicole. I do know who you are. I believe you are in my 200 group. So I will post a photo and a post in the group letting you know you won, okay? Thank you so much for your time to my channel, man, watching my videos. I appreciate all of y'all, but stay tuned for more videos, more giveaways, because they will be coming up. So, because I'm doing another one, like I said, at 500, 1,000, etc. I'm gonna be doing at least another 10 giveaways. So make sure y'all stay tuned, man. Subscribe to the channel, man. I appreciate last one of y'all once again. And that's it, man. I gotta head into work. Peace.